Welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we are going to cover about the mailers and the SMTP. So you have learned so many things in the previous videos, that how to create trojans, how to create phishing links, etc. Now you wish to be delivered them to the people or to the email IDs which you have gathered. Know how you can send bulk emails to bulk people, like 10,000 emails a day, 4,000 emails a day, 5,000 emails a day, how you can send them. And the main goal is that after you send that emails, they should be delivered in the inbox of the people, not in the spam. So what to be done now? What can be used to send that emails? The question is SMTP. Now what is a SMTP? What is a mailer, or what is a PHP mailer? These type of terms maybe you have heard before, or some of the hackers already use them to send emails to the people. Now I'll give you a quick example. Now you all be using Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook. You all must be using them. Now what is a Gmail? Gmail is a SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is a server which can send or receive the emails on behalf of people. Like Gmail have a SMTP server. You always open your gmail.com, you log in with your email ID, you can send this email to some company, or you can receive email from someone as well. Now Gmail have a limit. Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, they are the public SMTPs, means anyone can use them, anyone can register their account there, and just for free they can use their service. So they are limited. You cannot send more than 500 emails from Gmail, Yahoo or Outlook, right? Now the point is, it's not maybe sufficient for you. You need something bulk. Like Gmail, there are thousands of more companies who have their own SMTP servers. It means you can also use them to send or receive the emails, but they will be paid as SMTP, as the Gmail is free for 500 emails, but that SMTP servers, you pay them and you can send as much you want. That's what people use, or the hackers use them to send emails. But there are good SMTP server companies. If you use them, they'll deliver in the inbox. If you use the bad companies or the spammer companies, or a lot of spammers who use their SMTPs, they can go to spam. I'll show you how it works. If you just type on Google SMTP buy, Amazon also have their own SMTP, which is also very best, but it's very tough to purchase from them or set up it. Not very tough, like little complex, I would say. And if you see complete mail server, netinside.com, sendpulse.com, hundreds of thousands of companies, and if you see $200 per month. So there are thousands of companies which you can use to send or receive the emails to the people. If you use good companies out of the list, they'll not go to inbox, some of them go to spam. So it depends upon the server. Now you will ask me that I should suggest you which companies go inbox, and so actually there is no permanent solution for that. Like maybe some company like this company, if I'm using it today, it's going to inbox. Maybe after a month it could go to spam. So you have to test on your own which one looks easy and cheap for you. You can use that, like this one, $9 per month, etc. But I'll give you more examples. You have to wait for that. Now second thing is, what is a mailer? Now mailer is a software which use SMTP in the backend, and you can send emails from that. So mailer do not have something its own identity. Mailer is an easy platform with which you can configure a SMTP server. So you click button, send button in the mailer, and mailer will automatically use your SMTP to send or receive the emails. For example, I'll give you an example like Fast Mailer Pro. This is a mailer software. So you have to tell your SMTP details in that. Like I go to options, and here you have to click add first of all, and now once you buy any SMTP, they will give you their SMTP name, the port number, and a username and the password. You can also use Gmail SMTP to send or receive emails, but 500 maximum. I'll show you. You have to type on the Google Gmail SMTP settings. So they give you smtp.gmail.com. I copy it, I paste here, and the port number is 465. And in the username you have to type your Gmail ID, for example abc@gmail.com, and then your Gmail password, for example, and that's it. Okay. Now any email I send from this software, it will log in my Gmail and it will automatically send from it. I do not need to go to gmail.com. So then why actually, now you will say, why we have to use this software? Why not directly go to gmail.com and send from there? Because this software have so much advanced features. For example, in the recipient groups I have to add, with which I have to give a group name like mailing list, from which with the name you want to send. Like my email is abc@gmail.com, but I want to send it from support, which looks more good, and with the support@privacy.com. Any email you can display to people, but actually it will be sent from abc@gmail.com. It will use that to send emails, but it will send through this name. It will display this name when it will be delivered to the victim. Now we have created a mailing list, and here we can add people like CEO@company.com. So this way you can add so many people. John@gmail.com, to whom you want to send. So you can give even 500 people of list altogether, which you cannot do it in the Gmail. You have to send like comma 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 and 100 people at one time, 200 people at one time. Here you can give like even 10,000 list or even 1 million list of emails. But then you should not use Gmail, as Gmail have 500 limit. So you should use some good SMTP or some private SMTP. Same how this one. So you can give so many lists, or even you can import from a notepad file. If you used your if you have 1 million emails into a notepad, you can import it and it will show you a long list here. Then you have to give a message, what message you want to deliver to all, like subject, please click promotion link, and dear sir, blah 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 blah, and please click our link as promotional offer. We are giving this thing for free, this that, and regards support team, and that's it. So you have a message as well, and you have a mailing list of people as well, and you just need to click send. Like I start sending. Okay. Now unsent messages too, because I click stop now to stop sending, because the Gmail and the password I have given wrong. It's not a correct email and a password. If it's a correct email and password, it will log in with my Gmail on the Gmail SMTP, and it will start sending my emails, and the people will receive my emails as well. So these are the mailers. So mailers actually use the SMTP to send your and receive your emails, because SMTP you cannot use without an interface. So mailer is an interface basically, which provides you interface through which you can give a list of people, you can give a message, you can configure SMTP details, and so mailer actually use your SMTP to send or receive the emails. Mailer do not have its own functionality. That's a mailer. Now what are the PHP mailers? Now PHP mailers are for which you need a hosting. In our old video we have seen that how you can create account on QHoster and you can buy a website and a hosting. So you can go to log into the cPanel, and in the cPanel you'll get a file manager option, and in between the file manager and the public_HTML you can upload a PHP script like this. A page you can upload where you can type your name like John, for example, Steve, country Australia, any subject, and submit. Once you submit, it will send to, you should also have an option where emails like john@gmail.com, comma, this @thisthing.com, comma. So you can actually use your hosting company to send or receive the emails, because your hosting company also have a SMTP server in the backend. So that, because every website nowadays have a contact form. For example, I go to like this way. You can give your name, your email, your mobile number and a message, and you submit. Once you submit, an email will be sent to this company that this person is interested in your business. So there is some service. It means this is a website, and website have also means a SMTP server. Actually, the website do not have SMTP server. The hosting company where this website is hosted, that hosting company also have a website SMTP server, so that the queries on their website they can receive. But we can misuse them. Like we can upload something, a page in our website where we can have a email option where you want to send what is the subject, what is the message, and keep on comma comma comma. You can give like even 10,000 emails and you click submit. So it will use the hosting company's SMTP to send them emails, for which I'll also give you an example in the next video. But I hope you have got an understanding between these main three terms which always confuse to most of the students, that what is SMTP. SMTP is the main thing which sends an email or receive an email. Mailer actually use the SMTP to send or receive the emails. PHP mailer actually use the hosting company's SMTP to send or receive the emails. So PHP mailer or a normal software based mailer are the interface which use actually the SMTP to send or receive the emails. So I hope you liked the video. In the next video we'll cover about the PHP mailers and the more options to send or receive the emails. And thank you for watching.